There's nothing sweeter than harvesting your own vegetables and herbs, but if you're short on space and you still want a bountiful crop, then why not create your own potted feast with these handy hints?
The great advantage of pots is that they can be moved around your garden to make the most of available sunlight or warmth, and shifted out of the limelight when the harvest is finished.
So when you're potting up, always use the best quality potting mix that you can get your hands on. You'll see a huge difference in the growth and performance of your plants.
Searles Herb Vegetable Potting Mix is tailor-made for herbs and veg. It's full of organic nutrients plus trace elements and minerals to promote healthy, vigorous growth and a bumper crop. But it's the extra goodies in the mix that really make the difference. Cut and come again vegetables such as gourmet lettuces and silver beet are unbeatable in pots, and you can nip outside and pick the leaves as you need them. As tempting as it is to cram everything in, consider the eventual size of your crop and allow sufficient space for the young plants to grow and fill out the container.
Herbs are natural companions to vegetables, both in the garden and on the plate. So let's add some tough, tasty Mediterranean herbs to the mix, just to bring a bit of colour, texture and scent to our potted feast.
The secret to a bountiful crop in pots is regular feeding. So to get these seedlings rocketing along, I'm going to give them a good dose of Searles 5-in-1 organic fertiliser.
Simply wet the soil and the foliage every 1 to 2 weeks and watch your potted garden take off.